All right, I'm only going to do one problem with this. This is polynomial division whenever we're missing terms. Here's what I'm talking about by missing terms. You notice we start with x cubed, and then it goes to x and -1. Well, you're missing an x squared term. So what we need to do is we need to put a placeholder in for x squared. So that means we're going to put in a 0x squared, and then we have 4x minus 1, and then this one does not have any missing terms. Now you can have missing terms in both of them or just one of them, but anywhere you have a missing term, put a 0 in its place. So now we have x plus 6, 2x cubed, 0x squared, 4x, -1. The process is exactly the same, so if you want to try this problem as a practice, that would not be a bad idea. If so, go ahead and pause the video. If you need another example problem, then continue watching. All right, x cubed, so my magic number is going to be an x squared. This is a 1. 1 times what gives me 2? That's a 2. So 2x cubed plus 12x squared. Change your signs. Cancels. -12x squared. Need two terms, so plus 4x. If you want to try the next step, go ahead and do so now. All right, x squared, so I need an x. 1 times what gives me -12? Well, that's -12. Multiply out. -12x squared minus 72x. Change your signs. 76x minus 1. X and x. So we can still do this one more time. We just don't need any x's. 1 times what gives me 76? Well, that's 76. So 76 and 1 makes 76x. 76 and 6. I'm working this out on the side. $456. Change your signs. So this gives me -466 as a remainder. Now writing out the solution. So 2x squared minus 12x plus 76 plus -466 over x plus 6. All right. So the idea behind missing terms is if you are missing any terms, you must put a 0 in as a placeholder. So if it was like x to the third, x squared, and then a number, you need to put in a 0x, okay? So whatever term's missing, put a 0 in for it. Also remember, like if it's x squared and just x, you are missing the number. You need to put a 0 out here. There are multiple problems in your packet which that happens. Okay, so be careful of that. That needs to go all the way from the highest exponent all the way down to the constant term. If the constant term is missing, put a 0 in for your constant term. All right, hopefully this helps. Go ahead and try into the packet. Notice that I do not have you doing every single problem on that worksheet, just picking and choosing a couple of them. So refer back to your table of contents to know what problem to do. Make sure that you check your key for this. All right.